Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the project and pressing it to show automation. This gets you right into the editable lanes. Once visible, make sure the view is set to either all or track-based depending on scope. This determines if you see every parameter or only the tracks. Next, click the track header and pick the exact parameter you want to remove, volume, pan, or plugin control, so you focus only on relevant automation points before editing. After isolating the parameter, switch to the pointer or automation select tool and drag to highlight the nodes or range you want gone. Once selected, press delete to remove those points immediately. If you need to clear every automation event for that parameter across the track, use Edit Remove Automation for the active parameter. This is faster and avoids missing hidden nodes. Make sure to scrub playhead positions to confirm the change across different sections. Once removal is complete, change the track automation mode to read or off so logic won't rewrite values during playback or recording. This locks in the absence of automation. Save a new project version and bounce or commit your stems to make the change permanent. If automation reappears, inspect hidden tracks, track groups, or plug-in MIDI learn mappings. One common solution is to reset automation preferences or toggle enable automation to force a refresh. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves reappearing automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.